Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Pinterest inspired home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Pinterest inspired home decorating is all about bringing the charm, elegance, and nostalgia of past eras into your living space. Here are some practical and beautiful tips to create a cozy, vintage-inspired home decor. Decorate with baskets and storage. Use open baskets for storage, kitchen, living room. Old-style wooden crates work beautifully. Adds both charm and function. Add handmade touches, very important. Crochet pillow covers, crochet table runners, lace or embroidered fabrics. Handmade is authentic vintage feel. Use floral patterns gently. Floral cushions, curtains or bedsheets. Keep it soft and not too bold. Small floral prints give a classic cottage vibe. Create warm lighting. Use warm yellow bulbs instead of white. Add table lamps with fabric shades. Use candles or fairy lights. Lighting makes a huge difference in mood. Style small corners. Create a little vintage corners. A tray with teacups and flowers. Books and candles and a small vase. Don't decorate everything. Focus on cozy spots. Display everyday items. Glass jars with spices. Teapots, cups, plates on open shelves. Vintage style loves visible, beautiful storage. Bring nature inside. Fresh flowers or dried flowers. Small indoor plants. Makes the space feel fresh and lived in. Mix old and new. A smart trick. Combine modern basics plus vintage accents. Example, simple sofa plus vintage crochet drawer. Keeps your home balanced, not outdated. Don't overcrowd. Vintage looks best when it feels soft and airy. Leave some empty space. Hunt for budget finds. Local markets, old shops, reused items. DIY old bottles, jars, frames. Vintage decor doesn't need to be expensive. Layer your textiles. Combine different fabrics like lace and cotton and crochet. layer rugs, straws, and cushions. This creates a soft, cozy lived-in vintage feel. Use vintage style mirrors. Choose mirrors with wooden or antique gold frames. Slightly distressed frames look even better. Adds elegance and makes small rooms feel bigger. Decorate with old books. Stick old or vintage looking books on tables. Tie them with twine or lace. Add statement vintage pages. One standout item like an old clock, a wooden trunk, a rocking chair. This becomes the focal point of your room. Try dried arrangements. Use dried flowers, wheat, or pampas grass. Place them in ceramic or glass vases. Long lasting and very vintage cottage style. Use glass and ceramic containers. Store rice, sugar, spices in clear jars. Use floral or plain ceramic bowls. Add ribbons and soft details. Tie ribbons on curtains, jars, or handles. Use lace trims on shelves or covers. Small details make a big difference. Keep windows light and airy. Use sheer curtains or lace curtains. Let natural light come in. Vintage homes always feel bright and fresh. Display everyday essentials beautifully. Soap in a ceramic dish. Towels folded neatly in baskets. Turn normal items into decor. Create a cozy basket corner. Fill a basket with crochet blankets, books, cushions. Perfect cozy vintage vibe. Add subtle wall details. Floral wallpaper on one wall, or simple framed prints or art. Keep it soft, not too bold. Make a vintage tea or coffee corner. Add in tea cups, jars, tree, and a small plant. Feels warm, welcoming, and aesthetic. Use soft scents, light floral or vanilla candles. Natural scents like lavender. Vintage style is not just visual, it's all about feeling. Use slip covers for a soft look. Cover sofas or chairs with cotton or linen slip covers. Choose neutral or floral fabric. Instantly transform modern furniture into vintage style. Add edging details. Sew or attach lace borders to tablecloths, pillow covers, curtains. Small handmade details give a strong vintage feel. Group decor in odd numbers. Arrange items in groups of 3 or 5. Example, candle plus vase plus book. Looks more natural and aesthetically pleasing. Use fabric instead of plastic. Replace plastic storage with cloth covers, fabric baskets. Keeps everything soft and old-fashioned. Rotate seasonal decor. Spring, fresh flowers, light colors. Winter, thicker fabrics, candles. Keeps your vintage home feeling alive and fresh. Mix mismatched tableware, different plates, cups and bowls. Floral plus plain combinations. Vintage style loves not perfectly matched. Add wooden trays everywhere. Use trays on tables, beds or kitchen counters. Style with candles, flowers or cups. Keeps things organized but decorative. Use vintage-inspired bottles. Reuse glass bottles for flowers, oils, decoration. Simple but very aesthetic. Keep reflections soft. Avoid too many shiny or glossy surfaces. Go for matte, edged or slightly worn finishes. Thanks for watching the video.